So, guys, on this platform, if you're able to also record your voice and read a single script for an hour, you make $10 to $18 from this particular platform. If you're able to have a conversation right there for an hour, you make $20 to $30. And also, if you're able to speak different languages like Korean, the Spanish, you make way above $40 to $50 on this particular platform. And if you scroll down below, all you need to do to get started on this platform is to sign up with your Google on this particular platform, record a quick audition voiceover on the platform, pick a task, get it done, and you earn money straight up to your wallet real quick on this particular platform. And I know your question is going to be, Bernard, I don't have a mic, I have a noisy background, and I don't know how to get started on this. Don't worry, all I want you to do is to pay close attention and then stick to the end of this video, because I will guide you through how to record with your mobile phone, because this platform works also perfectly with your phone. And if you also have a PC, it will also work 100%. And all I want you to do is to stick around, because I'm going to show you how you don't need a microphone to get this done. So all you need is just to, learn how to use the platform, and also train the AI with this tool and get paid off this particular platform. And all I want you to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you're going to be notified whenever I upload amazing videos like this particular one you're about to watch right now. And for the sake of those who don't have laptop, who don't have PC, I'm going to be guiding you through step by step on how to get this done with your phone, right? With a mobile phone. I'm going to be using an iOS to get this done. Whether you're using an iOS or Android device, this will work perfectly for you. So make sure you don't skip any part, because there are going to be a lot of bonus that will earn you more money as you keep watching and paying close attention right here on this particular video. All right, so right here on the platform, you can see they say get paid to read script, make money on your own scheduling by completing simple recording tasks from your phone or laptop, record conversation, other audio that help train AI whenever and wherever works for you. And all you want to do to get started is to just hit on the apply now, and it will bring you to this interface, right? I'm going to be doing this step by step, and all I ask for you is to make sure you're liking this video. At least share this video to someone who is a stay-at-home mom, your friend, your brother, your sister, or your dad, your mom. They could like enjoy these tasks, start doing them, recording their phone, and then make money off it, right? And they say start your application. I'm going to click on continue with Google, and once I do that, so you're going to prompt up a different interface. I'm going to wait for it right there. So they say continue to the app, and let's see. So I'm going to choose one of my Gmail right here. And that being said, this is going to load up real quick. And then once this load up, right, I'm going to click on continue, because I'm trying to, sign it in inside the platform. So once I do that, the next thing you're going to load up a while. They say get started in just few click. And there you go. I'm going to wait for this to load up. For fast review for qualified applicants, use one account. So I'm going to wait for this to load up again. And then we're going to be inside and be able to do this job real quick and right away. So when you're right here, you have 4 steps for you to complete to get started and start making money off this platform. Now, the first one, they want your personal details. Now, these are your name and the basic demographic information. So I'm going to put my name right here. I'm going to put Wealth Bernard. My last name, I'm going to put Bernard, right? Select gender, and I'm going to choose male. Race, I'm going to come right here, select my race and ethnic. I'm going to say I'm a black or African man, right? Date of birth, I'm going to just put something random. June, I'm going to put year, anything random right here, 2000, right? Boom. And that's all they ask for you right there. Now, the next thing they want to ask for you is your occupation. So you can just be like you are anything, student, a stay-at-home mom, self-employed. So I'm going to just put right here my current occupation as student, right? And that's answer that for there, right? How do you find us? You can just say YouTube, because you're watching this thing on a YouTube platform. But is there any YouTube right here? So no YouTube. You just put others, right? And if you have any referral code, maybe you could use the referral code showing your screen. If that being said, so me, I don't have, By the time you fill all this stuff, then the next thing you want to do is to click on continue. So now they are asking you region. Now the next thing they want to ask you is your residence. So you can use any residence. You can use maybe United States if you have a United States account. So you can use any of the region. So if you know you don't have any of this ID from this particular country, you make sure you use your own country. Now I'm going to use Nigeria for instance. Let's say everybody has Nigerian accounts, Nigerian ID. So I'm going to put state Lagos, right? And then I'm going to then click I understand my country selection and that, right? So you can still unclick it, right? But let's click it right here basically. So once I do that, the next thing I want to do is to then click on continue. Now they're going to ask me the language I speak for most fluently. You're going to put it, let's say English, but if you speak any other language like Bengali, French, Hindi, Japanese, Mandarin, and all whatnot, you put the country right there. Proficiency, do you speak a native English fluently, advanced, or intermediate? Let's say I'm going to use fluent right there. What best describe, now they're asking me what best describe your accents. I'm going to say the Midland or the New England. So whatever best describe your English, the island English. So I'm going to just say the Midland Central US, and then search the country best match your accent, United States, and then you can still use maybe let's say for okay they Nigeria. If you speak the accent of the Nigerian English, you go ahead and use that. Then let's say what city do you grow up in Nigeria? They're gonna ask you. I said Lagos, right there, and then the next thing I'm saying highest education in school, high school, some degree of blah 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 blah. So if you have PhD, you put it there. If you have let's say bachelor's degree, which is BSc, right? The next thing you want to do, if you have other language you speak, you can add them right there. And then the next thing you have to do, check everything is accurate. Then they're asking you, where are you born in and have you lived in Nigeria whole life? Yes, right? Then click on next. I didn't get that done. So the next thing is for me to fill out this, and then I'll confirm, right? And then I agree, I submit everything. And once I do that, I will have my account right there, and then I'll hit on submit application. So now I've submit the application. It will take a few seconds, and then they will review it and get back to me. Now I can be able to unlock projects. So they say loading your first recording task, and right here they say once you pass, you'll be able to start recording tasks in projects available to you. You will have 20 trials and will give you immediate feedback after each submission. Now complete this short audio challenge to finish your application and start recording paid tasks. So, but before I should proceed in starting the first tag by recording a audio challenge, I know a lot of you will be like, hey Bernard, I don't have a microphone to do this. My background is noisy. I stay in a noisy area. I totally understand. That is why I say you should stick around till the end of this video, because you're going to be missing out a lot of tips if you don't pay close attention. Now, that being said, I recently uploaded a new video, and that video is up on this channel. Now, if you go to my YouTube channel right now, and then you will see this video I do, no mic needed, how to record professional voiceover on mobile on iPhone without noise background. And the reason why I did this particular video was because of this particular one, because when I tried it out, I had a friend who I gave this job, and he was having issue like noise cancellation on all. I did my deep research, and I found out that there's a way you can record your phone with avoiding the noise background on your environment, and it will sound perfectly. Then you want to go ahead and watch this particular video. It will help you, and once you understand how to do that settings on your mobile phone after watching this particular one, then you can come back right now and then start your first task. So I'm loading the first task right away. So they are saying audio approval audition, record the assigned script to unlock project, and that's require approved audio access. They said in qualification audition for each recording, 5 details are required to help and reviewers process your submission. Now they are now saying required review. After reading the attestations correctly and accurately with the agreement, the next thing you want to do is to acknowledge this. So the reason of this, they are trying to tell you that you should accept every form of ownership of the voiceover you're using right there. I'm going to click on next, and then they would like to access my micro. So from what they say here, they said, say this the right way. When this appears in your screen, then so they say this is the right to read each cue exactly. And what did they say? Read exactly as shown. They said allocation freeze 9 C03-RK-12 www.harborcartons.com/inventory/SKU-739 say slash dot dash and underscore where shown. Right, so I'm gonna say start reading. So see the first one right here, and I'm gonna read it the way it is, and then click to record. So that was the record I just made. That was crazy. So I'm gonna play the record and hear what I said. If there's any issue in it, and then I will, redo it again. That is, click on where you say record, and you must make sure you say everything fluently. So I'm gonna say I've listened, and then I'm gonna click on confirm. So they're gonna uploading your record. Keep the page, this page open while we upload, right? So they were gonna upload the stuff. So once they upload it, and they're gonna evaluate it and then unlock tax, which I can be doing and in money. So this is how this particular stuff work. And if you enjoy this process, how I get it through from A to this point, you want to make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, because this is a detailed tutorial how to get started on this stuff using your mobile phone, right? And with that said, and if you're someone who is looking for a way to also make more money off maybe AI automation, trading, the forex market, XAUSD, you want to make sure you join the Telegram channel, which is going to be in the first link in the comment section, and stay active on that platform. And that way you're going to also get found with free signals and also other campaigns that will make you a lot of money. Trust me, people are making money off signals on my channel. So we're going to wait for this, then come back and see what the next step is. Once my tax is unlocked, and if you want to see how the tax is unlocked and how we're going to be doing our first tax, you want to comment part 2 of this video, and I'm going to make a part 2 of this video for how we're going to be completing tax, and if I was as well passed the review and the audition. That being said, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and peace out.